To Webstar Design KC. This is the third week. Congratulations. You're making it through the course in perfect time. This week, we're going to learn how to create a service page and add it to your website. Welcome back to Webstar Design KC training. We're in week 3 and we're creating an effective service page. Now, the training goal this week is by the end of this lesson, you will be able to create a professional service page that will clearly explain what your business is offering and encourage visitors to become a customer. So let's get into it quickly, and I'm going to show you here after we go over this. But how to add a service page in Wix. Welcome back, Webstar Design KC. Now, the first step in adding your service page is you need to open up your Wix editor, log into Wix, and open the website you want to edit. Okay, and then the second step is you need to add a new page. On the left hand side of the menu, click on Pages and Menu, then click on Add Page. Name your page Services, and Wix will automatically add it to your website navigation menu. The third step is to add a service page selection. You click on the plus sign to add the element on the left hand side button. On the left hand side of the editor, select a section that showcase services such as text boxes, icon, images, or services lists, which will also allow you to add service widgets and service sections directly into the page. Step 4, list your services. Add the services you're offering. For example, since we're talking about Webstar Design, I offer Webstar Design, I offer SEO, I offer AI business solutions, and I offer social media management. Include that and a short description explaining how each service help your customer. The fifth step, add a call for action. Add a button that says book a consultation, request a quote, or contact us. Link the button to your contact page or booking form. In step 6, save and publish, which is our rules, okay? And as you scroll down, I want you guys to read this. It's going to go into detail what a service page is. And basically what a service page is where you I did tell send the this in your visitors email, so exactly please what read products over and this. services your But business what is provides. a service page? A service page is where you tell your visitors exactly what products and services your business provide. Think about it like this, online sales presentation. If your visitor lands on your page, your website, and cannot quickly understand what you're offering, they have the ability to leave and look somewhere else. Your service page should answer 3 questions. What do you do? How can you help the customer? And why should the customer choose you? Now let's talk about the importance of the service page. A service page helps build trust, explain your expertise, it shows the value of your service, and it generates leads and sales. It also helps the visitor make buying decisions. So real quick, I'm going to go through the steps. I'm also going to walk through this with you guys as well. So step 1, in adding a service page in Wix, okay, you want to log into your Wix account, open up your website editor, click Page and Menu, click Add a Page, name the page Services, and add the page to the navigation menu. And then congratulations, you have a service page. So I want you guys to go over this form. It's going to go into detail about step two, how to list your services, is basically creating a service for each service your business offer. Step three is focusing on the benefits. Customers care more about results than features. Instead of simply listing what you do, explain how it helps them. Okay, so for future, we build websites. And then the benefit, we build professional websites that help attract customers and grow your business. That's the benefit. Okay. And then step four, add your pricing, and that's optional at this point. We will come back to the service page later on in the course to add your prices, but if you want to, you can go ahead and add those prices. Okay. And number five, add an image or icon that's going to show exactly the story of what you're selling. Visuals help visitors understand your services quickly. Okay. And it could be a little icon like you see here or a picture. You can also use Wix icons and graphics and photos to make your page more engaging. And then step six, you want to add a call for action. Again, every service page should encourage visitors to take the next step. For example, schedule a consultation, request a quote, book a discovery call, contact us today. Place the buttons throughout your page, especially at the top and bottom of your website. Okay? And so let's get into how to add a service page to your Wix website. Okay? Now, from the interface screen, I'm going to need you to go up to the plus sign to add an element. Okay? I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. You can add an element. Okay. Okay. Scroll down to bookings. Okay. Click on bookings and you're going to be able to see where you can add a service page, like a service list. Okay. And this is where you could just drop and drag this into your website. Okay. Um, Again, we're going to do this from the plus sign, and then we're going to do it from the pages and menu, which is right up underneath this. Okay. So again, you want to scroll down to the booking. Okay. And then you can add from the add elements. Okay. And I keep doing this because I want you guys to see this and get this. Okay. Go down to booking, and then you can literally add a service page. Click on it, whatever format, or you can scroll down. It shows you different formats where you can add a calendar. I think I'm going to add a calendar to mine. Okay. And it's literally right here. Okay. It's right here. Now, what I did wrong, guys, was I did not add a page. You have to add a section to be able to add this into its own section. What it did was it went right up underneath my header, and I don't want that. So how did I show you guys how to correct this quickly? Go up to the top, hit undo, and it's done. I did it twice. Okay, so I'm going to undo it again so that maybe I did it 3 times. We're going to undo it again so it can disappear. Now we're going to go back to the plus sign. But before I do that, add a section. Okay? Add your section. So when you add your section, you click on design. And this is the simplest way to do it. Now we're at the pages and menu. Okay? You scroll down, you see services. Okay? From this point, you can add your services. Just click on it, add your service. Okay? And that's how you add a service page, guys. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to hit save so you can have that on your website. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks so much for attending this week training course on how to create a service page on Wix. Go ahead, watch the video 3 more times so you can get a clear understanding how to add this service page. Real quick, helpful tips. Just go to the menu and page section, click on service and add the page. I want you to implement the information, the benefits, the name of the service, exactly how much the service costs if you would like to add that. Also, guys, make sure that this is done before next week because this will be graded. Thank you so much for attending this week training course on how to add a creative service page to your website right here on Webstar Design. Make sure you have an excellent day.